Hi everyone, myself D. Ashok Kumar from Triple E department. Today topic is frequency dependence on polarization. Frequency dependence of polarization. Introduction to frequency dependence of polarization. Polarization refers to the element of electric field in wave. The frequency of an electromagnetic wave affects its polarization. Understanding the frequency dependence of polarization is crucial in various fields of science and technology. Basic of polarization. Polarization describes the orientation of the electric field vector in an electromagnetic wave. In an unpolarized wave, the electric field vibrates in all possible directions perpendicular to the direction of propagation. Polarization can be linear, circular, or elliptical depending on the direction and amplitude of the electric field vector. Frequency dependent on polarization. The frequency of an electromagnetic wave influences the polarization characteristic. At higher frequency, the polarization of the wave may change due to interaction with the medium. Materials exhibit different polarization behaviors depending on the frequency range. Frequency dependent on polarization in electric materials. Dielectric materials have frequency dependent polarization behavior. At low frequencies, dielectrics can exhibit significant polarization due to the element of dipoles. At higher frequency, the polarization responses may be limited due to the inability of dipoles to again quickly. Frequency dependent polarization in metals. Metals have unique polarization characteristics at different frequency ranges. At low frequencies, metals can exhibit strong reflection and absorption of electromagnetic waves due to their free electrons. At high frequency, metals behave more like perfect reflectors and have almost no absorption. Frequency dependent polarization in optical metals. Optical metals such as crystals exhibit frequency dependent polarization behavior. Certain crystal structures can split incident light into orthogonal polarized components, a phenomenon known as brilliancy. The degree of brilliance can vary with the frequency of light. Frequency dependent polarization in antennas. Antennas play a crucial role in transmitting and receiving polarized electromagnetic waves. The design of antennas takes into account the frequency dependence of polarization to optimize performance. Different types of antennas such as dipole or helical antennas are used for specific frequency ranges. Applications of frequency dependent polarization. Frequency dependence of polarization is essential in various applications including wireless communications. It allows for efficient transmission and reception of polarized signals. Polarization diversity techniques take advantages of frequency dependent polarization behavior or improve signal quality. Summary. Frequency dependence of polarization is a fundamental concept in electromagnetics. Different materials exhibit varying polarization behaviors at different frequencies. Understanding and exploiting frequency dependent polarization has numerous applications in science and technology. Conclusion and key takeaways. Importance of understanding. Frequency dependent on polarization has far reaching implications in diverse fields, emphasizing the need of comprehensive understanding and effective utilization. Technological innovation. Insights into frequency dependent polarization contribute to the development of advanced communication systems, sensors, and imaging technologies. Ongoing research. Continued exploration of frequency dependent polarization promises to unveil new opportunities for scientific discovery and practical application. Thank you, madam. frequency dependent of polarization in dielectric measures. This diagram is observed vacuum permeability is equal to not capacitance C. Capacitance is equal to C. K is equal to C as by S. C is equal. This diagram is frequency dependent on polarization in electric materials. Dielectric materials low frequency at a high frequency in this. Future research and developments. Ongoing research aims to further understanding and manipulate frequency-dependent polarization advantages in materials and technologies may lead to new applications and improved performance. Future developments may include novel polarization control methods and devices. Summary. I can understand in the summary program. Frequency dependence on polarization is a fundamental concept in electromagnetics. Understanding and exploiting frequency independent polarization has numerous applications in science and technology. Thank you, madam, for giving this opportunity.